What are you doing, Kiva?
She loves it. Good girl. Whoa.
Oh, it's about to show man. What is it?
I wish we had more rope. Is there any rope in your trunk?
No.
Because I just let it run.
She's gonna shake on me. No. Sticks her whole head underwater. She's worn herself out already. Nope, she still got some muscle left in her.
She feels the Labrador Retriever in her blood calling her. Swim!
She sure feels something. Oh, she's gonna pass out in the car. In the car, she's gonna be so asleep.
I think she's probably got more energy than all of us.
Yeah. It's starting to wear her out though. Look at her. Ugh. What's in there? You're supposed to climb over rocks, not fall on them.
Make sure I see that.
Of course.
Oh, come here, fatty. Look what I got. Look. Hey. Look at this.
Nope.
Look at this.
Nope. Oh, yeah. There we go. Now she fetched it. Nope. She picked something else up.
No, you can take it.
There it is, right there.
Get the stick.
Get the stick. It's right there. No. Whoop. She is like a kid in the pool. Don't splash me.
All right, let's get back up to the car.
Whoa.
Come on, Turkey.
All right, you're all done, Kiva.
Go back up to the